Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to delete photos from Google Photos permanently. Friends, if your Google Photos storage is full and you want to delete unwanted photos to create some space in your Google Photos account, then you need to open Google Photos app on your mobile phone. Now here, if you want to delete some photos, then you simply need to select the photo. Like here you can see the photos with the tick icon are uploaded on my Google Photos account. So to delete any of these photos, you simply need to select the photo. Like I have selected two photos. So after selecting the photo, press on the bin button to move the selected photos to bin folder. Press on it. Now all the selected photos are sent to the bin folder, and there all the photos will stay for other 60 days, and after that the photos will be deleted automatically. Rest, if you want to immediately delete all the selected photos from the bin folder also, then you need to press on the collection icon, and here you need to press on bin. Now here you will find the deleted photos. So again you need to select the photos and press on delete. Now press on delete permanently. Now the selected photos are deleted from Google Photos account. So friends, like this you can very easily delete photos from Google Photos permanently. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.